Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious system interference, close overlays, and heavy apps. Open Task Manager and end processes using CPU, GPU, or disk. This frees resources instantly. Once done, update your GPU driver to the latest WHQL build so Fortnite can access performance improvements. Drivers often fix stutter. Finally, set Windows Power Plan to high performance and disable Xbox Game Bar. These reduce throttling. Do these now so later optimizations act on a clean? Next, focus on Fortnite and GPU settings together. In-game, set frame rate limit to match your monitor refresh. This prevents frame pacing fights. Switch rendering between DirectX 11 and 12 to see which is smoother. One may reduce micro stutter. Lower heavy settings like shadows and view distance first because they hit CPU and GPU differently. Now test VSync versus off and toggle NVIDIA Reflex if available. These change latency and frame timing, so measure the result instead of guessing. Finish by repairing and validating. Verify Fortnite files in the Epic launcher to replace corrupted assets that cause hiccups. Then, set a consistent frame cap with RTSS or Riva Tuner to smooth frame time spikes. This often eliminates microstutters. Perform a clean boot to rule out startup services, and if stutter began after an update, consider rolling back the recent Windows update. If problems persist, use one key troubleshooting tip. Capture a short performance log and compare frame times to identify CPU versus GPU bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.